I have been neglecting my little hummingbird friends. Oh, speaking of, here's one. I need to refill their food because I think they're empty. So I am going to go and do that really quick. So they have nice, fresh, yummy nectar to come and snack on. Okay, so first you're going to heat up 4 cups of water for about a minute on high heat. Okay, it's been about a minute. I'm gonna turn it off, move it onto a non-hot area. Then we're going to add 1 cup of sugar and we are going to dissolve that in there. Mix it up until every last granule is completely dissolved. Because we want those hummingbirds to be happy with their food so they can keep coming back. Okay. Once everything is completely dissolved, we're gonna let it sit here for a few minutes until it comes to room temperature. And then we're gonna refill our little hummingbird feeders and they will be happy again. All right, that's looking good. For wasps because they're trying to eat their food and we don't want that. Okay. So I'm gonna open these all up and then we'll start filling them back up again so that our little birdies are happy to have some food again. I got my tools, a little funnel, and a cup to make the exchange simpler. We're gonna put about a cup and a half or so in each one because that makes them happy. And they go through this in about a couple of weeks, sometimes more, sometimes less, depending on how hot it is. There's a little residue in the bottom of this. I'm just gonna dump it out. Okay. So there's one. We have 3 different kinds of feeders. And the one they like the most, as far as I've seen, is this one right here. And I don't know if that's because they can sit, like rest their legs on it comfortably, or why necessarily, but this is their favorite one. But they will eat them. They will eat out of all of them. So we gotta fill them all up. Ah. Oh my goodness, this one's a little stuck. And now that my hand is sugary, oh, there we go. I was having a hard time grasping it well. So hopefully they're able to come back this morning. If not, they'll for sure be back this evening when it's a little bit cooler and they can enjoy it more. Do you have hummingbirds where you live? And what do they look like? Here we have lots of different ones, but in the city there are the ones I've seen anyway are a little bit less vibrant, not quite as wild looking. But when you get out of the city and go camping or like into the woods and things like that, go on for hikes, you can see some beautiful, beautiful hummingbirds with vibrant colors and different sizes. Just a lot of nature is a wonderful thing, you know? You gotta get out there. You gotta get out there. That's a little bit of my goals for this end of summer and fall. I want to get out there a little bit more and enjoy nature a little bit more. So, all right, I'm gonna hang these back up and then we'll hang around for a couple minutes or so while I drink the rest of what mine now is cold coffee and see if we can catch any of them coming back. So we are back in business. We are all filled back up. Now, we just wait and see for our friends to come. Yeah, I know. I need to fix this and this. And by I mean my husband and the men in my house. Don't worry, it's a work in progress. That's why it is the way it is. But we enjoy it as is because why not? We have many other things to do with our lives. And honestly, this is not one of our priorities. But it is a work in progress and it will get done someday.